My first one is a Sestina for Mother Nature. Your beauty has been praised as glorious, O Mother, nurturing Mother of ours. Winter's bleak fields draped in crystalline capes, newborn buds nursing dew of moist mornings, summer's sand-bathed beaches ruffled by frothed waves, ballet of autumn leaves in their striptease dance. Such passion revered as you whirl and dance, fine-tuning your music to glorious. Portraits of inspiration conveyed in waves. O Mother, magnificent Mother of ours, artist of twilight and morning. Your transfigurations wound tight in silk capes. Your power snaps like a bullfighter's cape, as brazen and bold as a hummingbird's dance. Your fearless tides rise night and morn, untamed. We call your rolling swells glorious. O Mother, demanding Mother of ours, the awe for your sleight of hand seldom wavers. Your fearsome behavior delivered in waves, hissing like hot steam, escaping Shrew's cape. O Mother, furious Mother of ours, unleashing punishing whirls through your dance. We struggle defenseless within your glory to curse and blame, then beg another morning. Praying your blessing of encore mornings, your selfish offspring expect to ride smooth waves, daring our minds to grasp and bask in your glory. Never stagnant, you switch chameleon capes to step out fresh and new in your debut dance. O Mother, all-knowing Mother of ours. O Mother, disappointed Mother of ours, face of dawn and muse of mornings, inviting us all to rejoin your dance, to save your grandeur and grain's amber waves. Our greed robs and rapes in endless capers. Shamed, we've transgressed your bounty and glory. Teach us to dance again, dear Mother of ours, to sing of your glory and bow to sweet morns. Forgive us, wavering love, bind our life threads to your cape.